my sister told me about this place. So when we arrived, we went here, we visited the place. Tapos nakita namin, and then we went to the clubhouse right away. I said, this is it.
My wife was very enthusiastic when she first saw Greenwoods. I mean, it's beautiful. The houses are nice. The community's good. The people take really, really good care of their houses. And she really liked it.
We were staying in a hotel, and they were passing out leaflets. And they say, come visit Greenwoods.
Yeah, the very minute that I stepped on my foot out of the car, this has got to be it.
What I expected, fresh air, and the number one thing I like is the security.
If you notice, pagpasok niyo pa lang sa gate namin, very tight na security namin.
Yung number one reason talaga kung bakit napili ko ng husband ko, kasi yung security. Kami kasi, di ba, ang dami namin gamit sa labas ng bahay. Iwanan mo man yan, wala kang pwedeng katakutan doon kasi mababait siya kapitbahay. Maganda yung banding ng mga magkakapitbahay.
Fresh air talaga. Saka yung paggising mo sa umaga, madidinig mo yung huni ng ibon. Yun ang gigising sa'yo eh. Unlike sa other places na yung ingay ng tricycle. A friend of mine brought me here to show the place. I liked it because it was somewhat like the neighborhood I had in Geneva.
Nasanay ako doon sa ambience sa Baguio, pero buti na lang yung climate maganda sin mako-compare mo siya sa Baguio, especially sa December.
Pag umaga, yun, pinapasyal ko yung pinakamaliit ko. Kasama to. Laging humahabol to sa akin eh. Kasi maganda yung hangin dito pag umaga. Tsaka rinig na rinig yung mga huni ng ibon. Tsaka yung lagaslas ng tubig. Parang talaga nasa probinsya.
The houses here has no fences. So it's like an open space for everybody. But even if it's an open space, we try to respect each other's places.
Para may privacy ka talaga rin sa loob.
Here I had the pleasure of really tending to my little garden. It's not too big, but it's enough for a little hobby. We can see it dun sa bahay, dun sa garden. Very quiet, we can talk, ganon, without others bothering us.
Go swimming with my kids and riding the bicycle throughout the neighborhood and yeah, playing tennis with them sometimes. If we share the same sport, then that will make our family more strongly attached.
Yung nature trail, ginamit ko parang nag-bike ako dyan one time eh. Pero okay naman, different experience kasi parang off-road dyan eh. Kaya yun, na-enjoy ko kasi mahilig kasi ako sa adventure eh.
Marami na akong mga kaibigan dito, may mga kumare na ako, may mga badminton buddies ako dito.
My boyfriend is Hungarian. I showed him the place. Well, he liked the area near the swimming pool, where there is the new bridge, and there's a little brook that he loves.
Minsan ako naglalaro ng basketball.
Yeah, kung sinasamahan ko siya dun sa
pavilion.
When he starts to walk, doon siya lagi dinadala sa basketball court kasi malapad yung maiikutan niya doon.
Golf courses are all over the place, all around the Greenwood subdivision. We have one from south, we have one from the north, we have one from the west and from the east. So it's very accessible for me.
15 minutes or 20 minutes.
I think 5 minutes
sa mall, no?
Sa mall,
5 minutes, nandiyan ka na sa SM,
everywhere,
nandiyan ka na sa Robinsons.
My favorite places in Greenwoods is any place along the water. You know, we've got the river running through the middle of Greenwoods, so we like to walk along that. We can walk for a kilometer or so, just you know, through the various little parks that we have across the bridges and back. It's just very nice and peaceful and quiet and a lot of fun. A common thread that ties most of the people in Greenwoods together, and that would be the desire to have a nice environment and pride in their houses and their community.
All the ingredients to stay here is there.
We plan to stay here forever until we die.
If ever we will be given a chance to choose, ito pa rin, Greenwoods pa rin. Wala nang iba. Dito pa rin kami.
We've seen that everything that the Jardine people told us about Greenwoods and what was going to happen has happened over the last year or so, year and a half. We're very happy with the development company, and we are expecting the investment to be well worth our while.
Sa nakikita ko sa kanila, ayaw na nila yung umalis dito kasi dito na sila halos lumaki. Narito na mga friends nila.
This is home for us.
He's glad that I've told him to come home because this is where really home is.
No place like home.